how to do the Acurast phone mining withdrawal of ACU. And I'll also show you the best way to bridge and sell the ACU. So after you've mined some ACU with your phone, you'll be able to withdraw it if you want. To do that, we go to hub.acurast.com. We click Enter Hub and connect our MetaMask wallet. We click here on Balances, and here under Transferable is the amount you can move if you want. Then we go over to Bridge, and here is where we can transfer our ACU from the Acurast parachain network to our MetaMask wallet on the Ethereum network. The bridge fee here for this transfer is 20 ACU, so make sure you have more than 20 ACU saved up and do not withdraw everything you have, because you need a little bit to cover for transaction fees. First, we connect here our MetaMask wallet by clicking here Connect Wallet. Then we select how much we want to bridge and click Bridge. This will take a few minutes before they arrive. And then when we want to sell on the Ethereum network, you can sometimes see that it will lose quite a lot of value during the swap, probably being too low liquidity. If that is the case when you want to make the swap, you can always check how it's looking like on the BNB smart chain if you get better rates over there. And if you do that, as I can see I get right here, you can always use the Acurast Hub again. You can go to Bridge, change so it says Ethereum up here, and so it says BNB chain down here, and we will bridge our ACU from the Ethereum blockchain to the BNB smart chain blockchain. And this bridge does not cost as much. And when the ACU have arrived after a few minutes, I can sell it and get much more for it this time using the BNB smart chain. Alright, if this helped you, consider helping me with a like.